Good morning, magandang umaga from the Philippines. It's a nice day today. It's sunny. It's mainit. We're heading out now to the mall. It's about 15 to 20 minute walk from where I am right now. So whenever I go out, I try to be out before 10 a.m. because between 10 to 3 it gets really intense, sobra init, and you don't want to be out during that time. Goats. Got some straight on here. So that's where we're heading. It's called Vista Mall, about 15 to 20 minutes from my place. We got everything here, from groceries, supermarket, furniture store, everything. I need to get some cash, so let's head over there right now. Just gonna cross this bridge here, and we should be there soon. As you can see, they're still doing a lot of construction here. In the Philippines, there's construction everywhere. Like new roads, new buildings. I guess that's a good sign. Okay, we got ATM machine. So we got some money from the ATM. One thing to note, if you're using an international card when you're traveling, like if you're using a card from the US, just take note of the transaction fee or international transaction fee when you use your card overseas, like in my case in the Philippines, because some banks will charge you. I'm using Capital One, and they don't have to charge you international transaction fees, so that's good. All right, let's go. As far as food, you're only allowed takeout, and some motorcycle guys here doing delivery all around the city. You see a lot of motorcycle around. And then there's the Vista Cinema, which is closed right now. My cable company is up there somewhere. The good thing about the malls here is when you go to a supermarket, the supermarket is already inside the mall, so it's like a one-stop shop. I got my quarantine pass. Let's head on now to the supermarket. Yakult. I remember this. When I was little, I drink a lot of Yakult. It's good for your tummy. Probiotics, Yakult. Good for your tummy. Ladies' Choice Sandwich Bread. I remember this. Very popular sandwich bread. In the Philippines, there's a lot of 3-in-1 coffee. 3-in-1 means it has coffee already, a creamer and sugar, so it's very convenient. It's like an on-the-go coffee, you know, you just bring it, put some hot water, and you're all set. Sardines. I used to get Ligo, just that's the more popular brand. But right now, I think I like Youngstown better. I like the taste. Mas masarap yata ang Youngstown compared to Ligo. So this is my choice now when it comes to sardines. Get your oats in the morning, people. It's healthy. So that is it for our little adventure today. We are still on GCQ, or General Community Quarantine, here in the province of Cavite. Still have to wear your mask, use hand sanitizer. There are still no scheduled flights for the airlines right now. So we can't see the islands yet, but eventually soon, maybe in a week, in a few weeks or a month or so. We're still waiting for what's gonna happen as far as local trips are concerned, so we're gonna be watching out for that. So we're heading back now. That's it for our little adventure today. Did a little bit of grocery shopping, check out the mall. We're still on GCQ. Yeah, that's General Community Quarantine. And I don't know what's gonna happen after the end of this month. So stay safe, everyone. Goodbye, mall. See you again soon. I hope you guys are making the most of this quarantine period. And I'll see you again next time.